Hello and welcome back to Everything Boats with Captain Frank Lanier, where we discuss boats and boating, from maintenance and repairs to seamanship and safety, as well as everything in between. This podcast is a companion to my YouTube channel of the same name, so if you like and find it useful, be sure to subscribe and please check out my YouTube channel as well, where you'll find hundreds of informative videos on pretty much every boating topic imaginable. Today's topic: 10 ways to save your electronics. Today's tough economic climate provides more incentive than ever for boaters to stretch their recreational dollars. One area that easily lends itself to the economics of marine penny pinching is extending the service life of your vessel's electronics. Maintaining equipment not only provides more bang for your initial purchasing buck, but also helps get the most from your electronics while extending the time between replacements. Here's a look at 10 simple tips and tricks that you can use to help keep your electronics operating at peak efficiency. Tip number 1, salt water and sunlight combine to make the marine environment particularly brutal with regards to maintaining electronics. Protect your electronics by mounting them where they are easy to view and work with, but shielded from the elements to the greatest extent possible. If mounted in an exposed location, protect them with suitable covers. If located in an exposed area, store easily removed electronics below decks or even ashore when possible. It'll protect them both from the elements and thieves. Tip 2, never use the dock or wash down hose to rinse off your electronics. Even gear rated as being waterproof can easily be damaged by spraying them with pressurized water. The best advice is to avoid the use of high pressure hoses near your electronics. Barring that, remove your electronics. Don't forget to protect all plugs and connectors, or make sure that they're adequately covered prior to washdown. Tip 3, clean your electronics regularly, but do it correctly. Dust, dirt, grime can cause problems with buttons, screens, and even watertight seals. Never use glass cleaners or harsh chemicals to clean display monitors. Most feature special coatings to enhance viewing quality that can be easily damaged if the wrong cleaner is used. Clean displays with a soft microfiber cloth and clean water or an optics cleaner designed for use on anti-glare coatings. Always verify the compatibility of any cleaner with the equipment manufacturer prior to use. And the simplest thing is to always follow the manufacturer's recommended cleaning procedures. Tip 4, verify each piece of equipment is protected by its own properly sized fuse or breaker. Treat recurrent blown fuses as a symptom rather than a problem. Never try to fix the situation by replacing blown fuses with those of a higher amperage than called for by the manufacturer. Doing so can damage your electronics or even result in a fire. Now is also a good time to verify that if you do have fuses, that you got plenty of spares on board for each piece of gear that does utilize them. Tip 5, turn off electronics, chart plotters, multifunction displays, etc., or place them in a safe mode prior to removing chart cards or other storage devices. Popping out a chart card with the unit running can cause anything from system lockups to accidental deletion of your waypoints. To expand on this a bit more, always use the on and off button at each unit to turn them off. Never use a circuit breaker to kill power to a piece of equipment or console. Tip 6, inspect all connectors, terminal strips, and fuse holders regularly for problems such as loose screws, broken wires, and corrosion. Bad connections cause more problems with electronics than any other issue. Corrosion causes resistance, which in turn can lead to a wide variety of problems, from low equipment voltage to fires. Application of dielectric grease or other suitable corrosion inhibitors after cleaning will help prevent corrosion, as will the use of only marine-grade connectors and components. Tip 7, download the latest software updates. The ability to do this will vary between products, but most manufacturers, Garmin, Raymarine, Nobletech, etc., typically offer updates and bug fixes and the like with minimal effort or expense. Updating your electronic charts or other digital data, marina information, points of interest, etc., will also increase both cruising safety and convenience. Tip 8, take time to familiarize yourself with the entire installation of each system. Many modern electronics, such as autopilots, single sideband radios, and the like, may have a hidden component located in some out of the way space or storage locker. Learn where these are and make sure they're kept protected from damage due to loose equipment, bilge water, and the like. Never store metal objects near electronic compass sensors or magnetic compasses for that matter. Cell phones, tools, canned goods, or even metal coat hangers or zipper jackets can all induce compass error. Tip 9, check your antennas for possible degradation. Many of the complaints that boaters typically attribute to their electronics, poor VHF transmission and reception, fluky GPS fixes, and the like, can often be traced to faulty antenna systems. Look for loose or corroded RF connectors as well as damaged or improperly routed cables, which can introduce unwanted noise or interference. Weatherproof exposed connectors using vulcanizing, aka self-fusing tapes, and a coating of liquid electrical tape or some other suitable product. Just remember to check and retape them annually as part of your regularly scheduled maintenance program. You can also monitor the health of your VHF system, antenna system, by installing an inline forward and reflected power meter. Tip 10, finally, pick up used spares. Canvas marine consignment shops and online shopping venues such as eBay and Craigslist, the electronic equivalent of a dumpster diving, for spare components or even complete backup units. I purchased a used GPS that matched the one located at my navigation station for a fraction of what I paid for the original. After testing the new unit, well, new to me anyway, I loaded all the data, the waypoints and everything, and now I have a ready spare when the need arises.